Hello, this is RunningRobert, and today we're going to be talking about the Elite Pharmaceuticals ELTP second quarter 2023 summary. Today is the 27th of August 2023, and in this summary, we're going to be looking at the bullish and the bearish parts of this penny stock. So I generally follow small cap pharma, I do some games, I do kind of a little bit of everything. So if you like what I'm doing, hey, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thank you. Disclaimer is I do own this stock. I did buy it a little under 4 cents, so I'm already at about 100% gains. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed up by your own due diligence. And any information given is valid for today, the 27th of August, and the slideshow will not be updated as we continue to get new news or new quarterly reports. New slideshows. Cool. So the investment thesis for this company. So it is a true penny stock, currently around 8 cents. Per the last 10 quarterly report, the company is profitable. They are a low-cost generic manufacturer with 2 to 3 more products coming within a year. Based on the company making a profit and generics never leaving the marketplace, the company will continue to increase profits and the amount of drugs it sells. However, the company is small and markets a lot of its own drugs, which could turn negative. The company is also very dependent on 1 to 2 drugs for most of their profit. So you definitely could see a little bit profitable, but a lot of hinges on a couple drugs. We're going to go over that in a little more detail later. So the company summary. So the company had 9 million in quarter 2 2023 in cash, which is an increase of about $500,000. Total revenue was a little under 9 million. It was like 8.95 and change. It was 7.6 in the first quarter. The company had an overall net profit of 1.6 million for quarter 2 2023. It was 1 million in quarter 1. The difference in that cash summary is ANDAs so that they can have more products. They have 12 to 13 approved products, all generics, plus more coming. We're talking about another 2 to 3 this year. The company does own an oral solid dose manufacturing facility in New Jersey, and they really just have a little bit of debt and bond repayments. It's around $2 million over 4 years, so not a huge deal at this point. Okay, so why is the company only 8 cents? I've said a lot of positive things about it. So the share count is above a billion, which makes the market cap about 80 million, which is probably fairly reasonably priced if you're thinking about it. I'm expecting maybe a little bit more based on them probably squeaking out between $5 to $10 million of profit and continuing to improve. The company really is only recently profitable, and there are still several challenges ahead for it. The company is currently selling some of its own products under its own label. That is different from last time, as they were selling some with another company. However, the biggest sticking point at the moment is a majority of the sales come from the generic versions of Adderall and Adderall extended release. Now, we make a mention about those two at the moment. This is not an issue. As most people know, there is an Adderall shortage. And so pretty much if they make it, it gets sold. Not a lot of you don't really have to have a lot of competition if there's more than enough on the market. So, you're looking at a lot of those things and kind of you're saying, okay, at the moment the company's good. However, maybe in the future, maybe there could be a little bit of uncertainty. The summary, so yes, it is still a penny stock. Listening to the quarterly report, you can definitely tell how they run it. However, the company is in decent shape right now, currently profitable and with sales going up. The company, though small, has continued to make strides. As a few years ago, they were selling under 10 million in total revenue, and this year they should be over 30. Currently, they are 16.5 in 2023. So, at the moment they're looking about 33 million in revenue, maybe 34, 35. So I have taken a very small and very speculative position in this company, with the thought that in 2+ years they might be worth more. I would not put the farm on I would not bet the farm on this company, but you can look at it and you can say, hey, this looks like a pretty decent company. They are making money. As long as they can keep up with the sales of Adderall and continue to add more and more drugs to their ability to sell, they're going to keep going. And, looking at that, we have a profit, which is very important in the pharmaceutical industry. So we don't really need to take on debt or dilution. So it's going to be a bit, but like I said, this is one of my longer term penny stocks that I'm looking at. And, based on everything I've said, I think we're in decent shape, but, obviously we have to watch out for the risks too. So thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.